I don't know about you, but one of the favorite things for me is to find out a new way to use a platform that I work on all the time. And one of those, of course, is Canva. I am on Canva probably almost every day. And so what I learned is that I can create a GIF using Canva. So what I did is I uploaded a video from a couple years ago, which is had a little action in the beginning. And I decided I would use that because I thought this would be perfect example to use for a gift. So first I'm going to go in and I'm going to edit this down. Clip to be too long when I'm creating the video. I just want to get a little bit in the beginning so I can have it coming back and forth like this. And actually I'm making it a little bit longer. And a little bit longer than that. Okay, that's a little bit too creepy. So I think I'll just leave it like that. So then once that is done, I am going to go and just download it as a GIF. And you see it's so short that it only takes a couple of minutes, not even, for it to download. And now I have a GIF that I can use wherever I want. I can overlay it with something if I wanted to add to it. But this is just a quick example of how to take a video and create a GIF on Canva.